I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by testing a hidden spot to confirm the plastic won't melt. That's critical. Once confirmed, apply 70% isopropyl with a microfiber cloth to soften ink or sticker adhesive. Use a plastic scraper at a shallow angle, moving gently so you don't gouge. If ink resists, repeat with slightly higher concentration. Keep cloth damp, not dripping. Make sure to protect adjacent surfaces and wear gloves to avoid skin oils transferring. This speeds adhesion breakup and keeps the surface clean. Once the surface has softened, apply a citrus adhesive remover sparingly and let it sit 2 to 5 minutes so it penetrates adhesive bonds. That's why patience matters. Then agitate with a soft bristle brush or a light-handed magic eraser to lift particles without scratching. Once the mark breaks up, rinse thoroughly with warm, soapy water to remove solvent traces. This prevents future discoloration. Make sure to blot dry with a microfiber cloth and inspect from different angles under light to confirm all residue is gone. You finish by applying a dedicated plastic polish or trim restorer to reinstate the original sheen and to add a protective layer. Work in small circular motions. If you notice any melting or whitening, stop immediately, cool the area, and consider wet sanding with 2,000 to 3,000 grit followed by polish, only if you're comfortable. If faint ink remains, carefully reapply rubbing alcohol or adhesive remover and repeat the gentle scrub. Keep a troubleshooting mindset. Stop, reassess, and choose the gentlest effective option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.